Hanging pictures on wall has been part of home decor for ages as they are perfect solution for filling up blank wall space. But with time, the way to display them keeps changing. So here I'm gonna tell you a trending way in which you can create a perfect gallery wall in 4 simple steps. Before starting, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. First step is to select the frame according to the wall. If your wall is colorful and textured like the one I have, then go for plain and non-textured frame. But if you are planning to set up your gallery on a plain light colored wall, then you can play around with colors and textures of the frame. Second step is to select frames of different dimensions and shapes. Also try to add a 3D element to your gallery, like I have chosen this clock which serves both the purpose of a 3D element and different shape. You can go for any 3D wall art. The third and the most important step is to plan the layout in which you want to hang your frames. For this, spread a big piece of paper on any surface or floor and give ample amount of time to decide that perfect arrangement for your pictures or artwork. Try all the possible arrangements and go for the best one. And while doing this, try to keep the parallel distancing between all the frames equal. And give offset on few sides to break the monotony. Also, this will help add more elements in future. Once you have found the perfect arrangement, trace the placement of all the frames on the paper using marker pen. Now take the measurement of the hinge location from top edge of the frame and mark the same on the paper accordingly. Final step is execution of all this on wall. Make a marking of approximately 152 cm height from the ground on wall. This is the level at which the lower edge of bottommost frame should be, and mark the point using a tape. Now stick the paper on wall, matching the mark to the lower end of the frame setup. Hammer the nails at the hinge point marked earlier and remove the paper from the wall. Now you can hang all your frames. All these points are based on my research on internet while creating my gallery wall, and thought of sharing this with you all to make your process of creating gallery wall easy. The clock used here is our DIY from my previous video. Please check the link in I button. Here I have tried to keep the frame to the center of the furniture piece in front of wall. You must have noticed I have given offset on all the sides, as you don't need to build whole gallery wall at once. Just start from the center and you can build out over time. Because life is on and even more memorable moments and creativity is yet to be hanged on this wall. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.